Hello everyone! Welcome to one more video from International Centre of Humber. Today we are going to talk about getting a job in Canada. It doesn't matter if you want a job to have an international experience or if you want to pay your tuition. Get a job can be very useful for your future. So let's talk about the things that you have to get a job in Canada. The first thing is a social insurance number or SIN number. Second thing is resume, and the third thing is cover letter. We've spoken about the SIN number in this video here, so click on there and check it out. And the second thing that you should have is a resume. Resume, it's important to have a good structure and to be objective on it. The structure of your resume should be your contact information, the highlights about your skills and previous jobs, and anything you think that can be important and relevant for a future employee. Information about your education and your previous jobs, experiences, and volunteer jobs too. Here in Canada, it's important to customize your resume for each job that you are applying for. Keep it simple, go direct to the point, use keywords, and also try to fit your resume in 2-page tops. Cover letter. Some countries like Brazil and India don't use cover letter, but here in Canada, it's really important. It might be your only chance to make the employee to read your resume. The cover letter should have introduction, body, and conclusion paragraph, and should be attached to the same package as your resume, either in physical or in an email. Ta-da! Now you have the basics to get your first job in Canada. But because we are super cool and we like to give you tips to help you to succeed, here are some more. Free tips! Some employees like to check references. They can be people who you worked with before, previous employees, professors. If you have those contacts, it might be a good idea to have a list ready so you can provide the employee if they ask for. Just make sure that you let the people from your list know that they might be contacted. Oh, might be a good idea if they know how to speak in English, just in case. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional social media and it's used for a lot of employees here in Canada. You just have to make your profile there with your resume and you can make contacts and you can also apply for jobs from there. Make sure to be professional from the way that you write to your profile picture. Once you get an interview, prepare for it. Research more about the company, the job position that you are applying for. Use proper clothes, shoes, be polite, and remember, be yourself. If the job is for you, they will want you, so just be yourself. Oh, and between us, if you can ask someone to practice the interview with you, or if you can use a mirror, it can help you, especially with the English part. Another thing is, even if you have a previous experience in your home country, you are kind of starting again in Canada, so it doesn't matter if your first job is not in your own field. You can be a volunteer or start in an entry job. Keep in mind that this job will help you in the future anyway. You can find jobs in Toronto on LinkedIn, social media, company websites, Google in general, Indeed, and talking to people. One of the options is working on Campos. Here in the description of the video, we are going to put a link for the website with some job positions. But don't restrict yourself to this website. You can receive emails with job positions, so keep looking at them. And also, if you are interested to a specific department, you can talk to them and ask if they have job positions there too. Just let people know that you are looking for a job. On careers.humber.ca, under Career Resources, you're going to find a lot of tips about how to build your resume, your cover letter, how to dress for interviews and prepare for them. And once you are at Humber, you can book an appointment with the Career Center and they will help you with the interview and everything that you need. And last but definitely not least, remember that your main point here at Humber is study a lot and succeed your courses. So during our classes, you are just allowed to work part-time, which is 20 hours out of campus, 24 hours on campus. Good luck! Thanks for watching this video. Give us thumbs up, subscribe, and See you next time. Bye, or tchau, which is bye in Portuguese. The first thing that you need is social insurance number. Good structure. Brazil and India don't use Cozer
letter.
Okay, I need a phonologist. Phonologist. Phono. Now I need a phono and an English professor. But here's, can we make in Portuguese? So you can get that extra. The birds are going crazy. Give you tips to help you succeed in Canada, or not in life, not in Canada just. You can find, mind.
Hold on.
Yeah. Airplane. Bind. And also, if you are interested to a specific
And we're back to the first video.
It's your fault, Karen. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. And last but definitely little. How do you say this word, Karen? Definitely.
Definitely?
It's even worse.
You're gonna get it.
Definitely.
Go get it. Go get it, girl.
I'm done with this language.